Dr. RCS Chauhan on informative sessions from academicians to give a highlight about the event. I would now like to welcome Professor Neelam Srivastava ma'am to please come and give an overview of this initiative started by the IEEE student branch.
Good afternoon everyone. कौन सी क्लास है ये? सेकेंड ईयर? विच ब्रांच? सेकेंड ईयर EC. पूरी है कि आधी है? हाँ. Okay. So this is the new initiative which we are doing this year only. It was not incorporated last year. That is the graduate talk series, and the inauguration of this anything which is novel can come and show your work here, so that you get ideas of your work, that how you can improve those works. You can get the networking, that is how other persons can connect with you here as well as outside your electronics department as well as outside your college. This is the first event where this is accessible to all IEEE groups. We have started this also. आपका पूरा मेल सब पे गया हुआ है, so it is sent to all everybody. So time to time we are trying to increase the networking of IEEE student branch IET Lucknow. That is our aim, to show this IEEE student branch as a bigger group and have more networking with other technical institutions. So I welcome all you students to come forward and send us your topic if you are interested to show anything, any small thing, any big thing, you can come with it. This is the first, you can say, first journey of your, you can start if you are doing in your incubation center. So for that also you can come and float your ideas. We will listen your ideas and we will can guide you something. You can get mentors from here. Any research scholar can be your mentor. Any MTech student can be the mentor of your second year. The faculties can be mentored, like that. So this is a platform where we go for this series. Initially we are starting with our faculties. This is the first lecture. The second lecture will be done by electrical department, Professor Aruniva Verma. And I am floating Google Sheet, Google form to all of you. Whosoever student are interested, BTech, MTech, PhD scholars, can come forward and deliver a lecture here. Okay? We need audience as well as we need speakers. Every time we should not call you from your classes. It should come from your end. That is important. So if we go for this particular talk, we can see that what we can cover here, like I told you, exposure to new ideas, skill development. Suppose a person is good in robotics, so you can teach your robotic class here to your juniors. So you can improve the skill. Similarly, if you have any particular skill, for example, if anybody is very good in Canva, can make, you can say, this posters and that. You can have a class with your juniors, like that. So you can, here in this platform, you can improve your skills. You get the exposure of new ideas, the network opportunities. As I told you, next lecture is from electrical department, and we try to call, after that we call from mechanical department, Professor Arun Tiwari. He is working in green hydrogen. The mechanical department is having a center of excellence in green hydrogen. They are generating green hydrogen. I think nobody is knowing that. Even I was not knowing before 5-6 days earlier. So it is a platform. We try to develop it interdisciplinary so that we get what our neighbor department is doing, and then what neighbor colleges are doing, and then like that. So networking opportunities you get, then the critical thinking, discussing and questioning ideas in these sessions encourage critical thinking and intellectual curiosity, and then building confidence. इस कमरे में जब आप बोलना शुरू करें तो आपका confidence होता है ना, hesitation जाता है, confidence develop होता है. So these are the few important things which we can why we are coming for this particular talk series. स्किल एनहांसमेंट, जैसे मैंने बोला कि आपकी जो स्किल है वो इम्प्रूव करेगी, नॉलेज शेयरिंग होगी, प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ होगी. जब हम इस प्लेटफॉर्म को बढ़ाएंगे, एज यू माइट बी नोइंग, इफ यू बिकम मेंबर यू नो इट अ बेटर वे, दैट इज देयर इज अ कोलैबोरेटिव नेटवर्क इन द IEEE collaborate. So from there you get a collaboration, you can get the mentors from there. So it is your professional growth which you are getting there. And this IEEE, they float so many programs. As I am floating, this is also be visible to everyone. Similarly, the others, other colleges, other good institutions, whatever program they are floating, it will be visible to us, so we can participate in that. So it will give rise to professional growth, confidence building. As I told you, like if you present your research or your innovative ideas, it will build your confidence, collaboration, and then career preparation. The second year is the most focused student for any college, because some basics you have already gone through, basics you know, and you have still 2.5 year or 3 year in a college. So we can work on you, we can polish you, and we can work on you, we can polish you like that. And so building career preparation we can do like that, and that's it. Are the few advantages of talk series. So I request all of you who can deliver any lecture, anything which you want to share with us, you people are most welcome. This is what I want to tell you at this stage. And then the advantages for the audience and for the speakers. So be both speakers as well as audience. That is important for you. Next one. The same way, connecting with experts.
कैसे होता है?
Okay, thank you so much. Now I would like to ask Namrata ma'am to please introduce our expert lecture for the day to the audience.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, all of you. It is my privilege to introduce Dr. Ramchandra Singh Chauhan, sir, Associate Professor, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. Sir is a senior IEEE member and senior IET member. Sir is also an Associate Dean of Central Training and Placement Cell, AKTO. Sir has also served as Deputy Coordinator of Uttar Pradesh Technical Admission Counseling in the year 2024. Research interests of Sir span coding theory, optical switching, optical networking, mobile communication and networks, digital signal processing, and image processing. Now, with these words, I would like to request Professor Ramchandra Singh Chauhan, sir, to please enlighten us on the topic error correcting course.
Thank you. Thank you, Professor Neelam Srivastava madam, for giving me the opportunity to present first lecture. Put to all the audience for doing planning about this lecture series. This may be the is not only to present lectures only by faculty members, as madam told. We expect that students come forward. And if you have them, with them some ideas, some presentations, some expertise in their field, they can present. They can present lectures with their juniors also, with their same batch also. Because I have seen in IITs that students present such lectures in the halls, and that culture we want to develop here. Okay. Then because today only second year students, but the message should be going to the third year and final year and all MTech PhD students, and they should present lectures, whatever they have expertise in their field. Okay, so that we can aware about the knowledge whatever running in this campus. Okay, not only in electronics field, in other fields also, like that electrical, computer science, mechanical, and other branches. Okay. Then for these students, the lecture is not the first. We are already studying signal and system, and we want to connect this lecture with your subject so that you can understand properly. Okay.
तो वायरलेस नहीं है,
वायर्ड
वायर वहाँ चल जाएगा, मतलब यहाँ से वहाँ तक वायर चलेगा पूरा वो।
काम करिए, इसको थोड़ा आगे करवा दीजिए और वायर्ड वाला भी
कैमरा आगे रख कर रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ेगा क्या, मुझे लग रहा है
कैमरा
Okay, no problem.
और वही वायर लगवा
We are doing
दीजिए,
lectures for
डायरेक्ट
our
अटैच करवा
students mainly. Other audience, they can see the whatever I am writing on the board. Okay.
फिर वो हमारे माइक चलता भी नहीं है, बैठे हैं।
फिर भी उसके थोड़ा बहुत आवाज़ आए, उतना ग्राफ कर लेगा।
इसको आगे रखिए ना, टूटा हुआ टूटा हुआ टूटा हुआ। सर एक सेकंड स्टार्ट करिए, इससे पहले इसको
Error correcting course. This may be new to all of you. Okay. Then firstly, try to understand this. How many of you are using mobile? All of you. Okay. But the magic behind the mobile communication, you are not aware about that. Okay. What is the magic? How you are whatever you are speaking at one corner and you can communicate with the person at the other corner. Okay. Basically, for that there is a subject communication. Principles of communication you will study in the I think next semester. Then digital communication, mobile communication, and a lot. Okay. From that communication we have selected one topic, error correcting course. Whatever when you speak, then there is a audio signal. You generate an audio signal. That audio signal converted into an electrical signal. That is an analog signal. Are you studying about analog signal in signal system? Yes. Okay. That analog signal is converted into discrete time signal through sampling. You know about that? Yes. After sampling, this converted into the discrete time signal. That discrete time signal goes through the process that is called the quantization. Okay, quantization is a process where we label some these samples at a specific levels. That is called the labeling also. After quantization, there is a step encoding. In encoding, those labels are given some binary inputs. Okay, suppose there are 8 labels. Then these levels are given in the codes, binary code like that 000, 001, 010, 011 up to 111. Suppose there are 16 levels, then 4 bit code assigned to these levels. Then whatever the value of the sample at that level, okay, then corresponding to that level, one binary sequence is transmitted. Then complete audio signal is converted into binary sequence. Okay, then your analog signal is converted into binary signal. Okay, when you are speaking through the mobile and a binary signal is transmitted basically. You can understand like that. Okay, binary signal. There is a digital communication from one end to other end, transmitter to receiver, another transmitter to this receiver. Communication in the binary. Binary signals are transmitted. Okay, then there is a sender, other is receiver, and at that receiver there is also one sender, and here at this sender one there is a receiver too, like that. Okay, then they are sending basically binary signals from one end to other. Okay, then what happens in between these nodes are senders, you know, there is a one channel in between, that is the medium. The signal passes through some mediums. Okay, what happens in the medium? There are some noises. Okay, then signals corrected, and these binary signals are errored. It may be 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, but not completely. In some given binary sequence, some binaries are errored. Some binary signals are errored, and at some places it is 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. Okay, those binary signals received at the receiver, and again from that binary signals it is reconverted into analog signals and then audio signals. If the errored signal is converted, will be converted into analog signal or audio signals, due to that error, the message will not clear. Whatever you are speaking, there are the message will be go with some errors. Okay. Then how can we correct the errors? Whatever errors occurring in the channel. Okay. Due to the channel, there are some binary errors, 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. How can we correct those errors? Then for correcting those errors, some error correcting codes are proposed. Okay. Then before going in detail about the error correcting codes, there are some basic things we have to understand that firstly. Then we can understand the error correcting coding techniques. Okay. Then firstly we will discuss those basic things in this lecture, and then we will discuss in detail. Okay. Then in this error correcting codes we will cover basically some topics, basic topics. Having distance. Okay. Having is there. Having bounds, and then having codes. These are the basic things about error correcting codes. Before going detail, we have to discuss all these things. Then we can understand the error correcting codes and others. Okay. Then what is the having distance? Then having distance is nothing but the, suppose there is a binary sequence like this. Okay. Then having distance between two sequences, two binary sequences. This is sequence 1, and suppose this is sequence 2. Then at how many positions these sequences are different. Okay. Then here same to same, different, different, same to same. So there are two positions at which these are different. Okay. Then Hamming distance between these two sequences is 2. Then what we need to do? There is a XOR operation between two sequences. है ना? 1 1 XOR 0, 1 0 0 XOR 0, 1 0 XOR 1, 0 1 XOR 1, 0 0 XOR 0 and so on. Okay. And then counting the number of ones here. Then there are two number of ones. Then Hamming distance is 2 between these two sequences. Okay? It is clear? Hamming distance. So between any two sequences, we can find the Hamming distance. The number of positions in which they are differ. Okay, binary positions in which they are differ, that is the Hamming distance. Okay. Now there is a term again, minimum Hamming distance. Minimum Hamming distance. Okay. Then there is a set of the codes. Suppose from 0 0 to, suppose there are